In this video, we're going to do a nightclub two-step move, and we call it a right turn combo. We'll show it to you first in one direction, and then we'll break it all down and show you in another direction. So it starts out here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 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 That was it. So we'll break it down for you.
Okay, leaders, it starts with a right turn and a rollout happens right away. So it's going to be, I'm going to roll an outside turn, 1 and 2. I'm going to roll her out, outside turn, 3 and 4. I'm going to step in alongside of her instead of face her. I'm going to rock back for 1 and prep 2. I'm going to pull her into me and pick her up and close for 3 and 4. I'm going to do a half a basic, 1 and 2. During 3 and 4, I'll slide out to 2 hands, 3 and 4. Another half a basic from open position, 1 and 2. Next one, I switch it up. I rock back 3 and cross over, just like I'm doing here on the other side. I'm going to set up an underarm turn, push back 1 and 2, 3 and pick her up and closed. Then we take off to the left, doing a zigzag, side, cross, side, side, cross, side.
Okay, so let's do it from this side. And I want to talk about a right hand turn first, okay? Because in class we're having a little bit of trouble. So a right hand turn, go ahead, Dave.
Goes clockwise.
1 and 2. Notice my foot is in between his 2 feet.
Very important, and I have stepped outside partner and turned clockwise.
So that's the right hand turn. Then he does the rollout.
So I set the lead early with the left hand. I'm not pushing or forcing the left hand. The lead is coming off the low hand.
Can we come this way a little bit?
So,
okay.
Looks like this.
1
and 2. Notice my lead is already set on 2. I'm leading with this hand here. I'm going to roll her out for 3 and I step back. So I'm alongside of her. Rock back. 1 and prep 2.
And this is sort of like a check step, or what do you call this? I don't know. Anyway.
I'm going to spin her, 3 and pick her up right there. From here, we do a basic, a half a basic, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I have slid to 2-hand hold. Now another half a basic from open position, 1 and 2. I'm going to go 3 and 4 and cross over in front, 3 and 4. Now I lead an underarm turn from here, rock back 1 and 2, pick her up 3 and 4. From here I aim her in a diagonal direction and I go run, run, turn, run, run, and I go back a different direction, 3 and 4. So it's a little zigzag. I went toward diagonal and then another angle away.
So we'll show you from this side all together. Can we do that?
Okay.
We want to start like this? Okay, here we go.
Right turn first.
1 and 2.
Roll out
3
next.
and
On the
4.
wrong side.
1 and 2.
Free spin
3
to close.
and 4. 1 and 2.
2,
3 and 4. 1 and 2. 3 and 4.
Crossover.
1 and 2. 3 and 4.
Zigzag.
1 and 2. 3 and 4. Okay, that's what we
There you
taught in
have
our
it.
class. It was called a right turn combo. See you later. Bye-bye.